Medyo nalulungkot nga kami ni Donna ngayon. Kasi hindi pala talaga na-achieve ang lahat ng gusto mo dito sa Canada. Sobrang miss na namin ang mga magulang namin. Kasi for the longest time, OFW kami. So, good morning, fam! Pahatid na kay David. And from sunny, naging snowy Calgary ulit. Hanggang April pa daw to. Oh, so, ganun talaga. But then, hindi siya sobrang lamig. It's just -5. By the way, may dapat pala kaming kunin dun sa downtown, near downtown. Pero nag-cancel sa kalagitnaan ng drive ko, so we need to turn back. Ang aga namin gumising today, 5:30 AM. Para lang kunin dapat yun, pero well, ganun talaga. Yeah, sobrang madulas ang Stony Trail. Grabe talaga sa disgrasya ang Stony Trail. So medyo kinabahan nga ako kasi dala ko pa yung dalawang bata. But then, we safely arrived. Hi fam! I'm with Davon now. Yup! And it's slow.
Daddy, can I have my gloves?
And it's snowy Calgary again. You like snow, Kuya?
Daddy,
I don't think we have your gloves there.
Maybe we have
Yeah.
my gloves.
Yeah, I think it's I think we forgot it. Come on.
Yeah, we forgot.
Yeah, it's okay. You can just run. Run ka na lang. But be careful, ha?
Good morning, Alba Fanda.
Good morning! Kasama ko na si Davon and our morning routine where ihahatid ko si Davon sa kanyang daycare from the kindergarten. Okay, let's go. Are you ready?
Yep.
Are you ready po?
Yep.
Opo.
Papa.
Opo.
Let's go racing.
And we are out again. Nakasundo lang sa kids. Yes, baby. Who? He's hungry? Not really. But we need to get something from Rona,
From
Kuya.
Rana, from
Yeah.
our Home Depot. Kasi
Kuya,
Daddy's going to fix the toilet.
Yeah. Kuya, what are you doing? Kuya, what are you singing?
Chicken banana.
Can you sing it and dance with it? Can I see?
Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Chicken banana.
Sino Hi fam! So, pagkasundo ng mga kids, may naalala ko, may kailangan pala akong ayusin sa toilet. So, pumunta kami ng Rona. Ito yung parang Home Depot. Home Depot talaga siya.
Mommy will be
Bala yung brand. So, sasama natin ang mga kids. Mag-check out na rin kami ng mga camping gear. Baka may sale na sa mga camping gears. So, alright. Samahan niyo ulit kami. Okay, nandito na kami sa loob ng Rona. Hanapin lang natin kung saan ang mga toilet. Mga toilet materials. So, may kailangan akong ayusin dun sa gilid ng lababo ng sink. Natanggal yung isang tile. Tapos, basta parang may na-expose. So, try natin siyang ayusin. DIY again. Ha? Ang alin?
This
This one?
washing machine. It looks
It's
like.
nice.
It looks like
Washing
ours.
machine. Walang price. Bakit walang price? Okay. So, sige. E di ito na lang. Ito. Itong washing machine na ito. It's $1,000. Ganda na ito. 1,245. Okay?
Rocket.
And yung mga side load naman na washing machine, LG to. Siyempre mahal to. It's around 1,245. Okay. Oh, wow. Bakit? Is it nice? Is it nice? Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. That's nice. It's a blue oven. Huh? It's the blue oven too. You just be careful, ha? Okay, itong mga oven na ganito is 1,000. Ito din. Around 1,000 din. Ganda. Ganda nito mga to. It's nice. Samsung. 1,000. Okay. Ito yung pangarap ni Donna. Next time, bibili kami nito next time. It's 3,000. Love, check this out. Come on.
Hindi,
Go-
gusto ko nga yung may water filter na siya.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. Let's check that out. Love, check this. Check this. Partner yung stove. Ang ganda. Rose gold. Taray nito ah. Taray mo, sister ah. Pag set 3,300. Pag siya lang mag-isa, it's 1,195. Ganda. Mitchell, where are you? Where are you?
Daddy, water filter.
Correct. So the next fridge that we're going to buy, it's gonna be like this, okay? Then it has ice. You can get ice from here, Kuya. Kuya, this fridge will make ice for you.
Yan.
How much is this?
3.
3,500.
Throw garbage here, Daddy.
Frigidaire.
Go eating.
I know.
Don't.
Ganda. Smudge proof.
Pero gusto ko yung
Stainless
color
steel.
ng white na yan, na?
Yeah, sexy, no? Just be careful. Okay, let's go to... Ganito lang ba kalaki yung ano natin? Ha? Mas malaki? Mas malaki, no? Yeah, it's 995. Grabe lang, times 3 yung ano, dual. Ganito lang, love. Ganito lang. Bakit yun ang bibilin? 3,000 yun. Ito 1,800 lang. Oh. Yan, price check. 1,800.
Oh.
1,800.
Daddy!
Around 70K.
Pero wala tong ice cube dyan. Siguro lang.
Ayan, oh, ganda. What's the brand? Whirlpool. Ah, Whirlpool.
Kuya, here.
1,795.
Daddy, look.
Can I check?
It's just a cabinet.
With a stove. Wow, with a stove.
What's the stove inside? Is that amazing?
Cook here, Kuya.
Is that amazing? Okay, it's amazing.
Mommy, look.
Is that nice?
And Daddy,
Is that a
look.
nice tub?
Look, Daddy.
Yep, it's nice.
That's different.
1,400.
1,400. So expensive.
That's expensive. Let's go. That's why you need to be very careful. Okay, fam, we're done. Okay, let's go. I know you want that. Those are chocolates. Of course you want that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Mommy's. No, mommy's waiting.
I want to pick one candy, Daddy.
Yan, tapos na kami dito sa Rona. Yeah, so ito yung parang Home Depot dito. Meron din namang Home Depot. Siyempre,
Home
American
Depot,
brand,
Daddy.
Home Depot. I think Rona is Canadian, but I'm not that sure.
Daddy, why is it Home Depot?
then-
That's the Home Depot.
Pauwi na kami.
Daddy.
Hi fam! Nasa bahay na kami. And sobrang nag-enjoy si Davon and si Lianica. So, nagpe-prepare lang ako ng dinner namin. Si Donna busy pa with some work that needs to be done. But ako, nagpe-prepare na. So, share ko sa inyo yung ulam namin for tonight. Ang ulam for tonight ay ang pinaka-favorite nating lahat. Galunggong. And meron kami partner nito. Siyempre, Bisaya, buta. So na yun ay partner. Nya, kani ang iyang partner. Asa tong partner? Asa ang partner? To ara di ay. At ito ang partner niya. Munggo. Favorite. So yan yung nakasanayan ko kasi. While growing up. Si mommy favorite and si daddy rather favorite ang isda, si mommy naman favorite ang munggo. So partner lagi. Hi Pam, so kakabalik ko lang ng bahay and kakagaling lang sa labas kasi may inutos si Donna sa akin to check. Nandito ako sa office ngayon kasi sobrang ingay ng mga kids sa taas. I don't know if you could hear them. And si Donna na ang nag-continue magluto ng aming dinner. But anyway, going back to the topic, sobrang nalulungkot kami kasi pinlano talaga namin to for the past 3 years or 4 years na pagsistay namin dito sa Canada na dapat ma-sponsor namin ang aming mga magulang for permanent residence. Kasi part of their eligibility is just a 3-year of a CRA tax. So pag may 3 years ka na tax and then your income threshold is able to meet kung ano yung kailangan nila, then we would be able to sponsor our parents or grandparents, Nina Davon and Lianica. But then there isn't any intake again for 2025. So from what I know, 2022 pagdating namin, 2023, okay yung intake, pwedeng mag-intake or pwedeng mag-submit for sponsorship ng mga grandparents to become PR. But then, hindi pa kami eligible kasi nga dun sa 3 years na kailangan ng CRA tax report or tax issuance. So ano nga ba tong program na to? So this program actually helps permanent residents or Canadians to be able to sponsor their grandparents or parents papunta dito sa Canada. And pagpunta nila, pagdating nila, automatic PR na sila. But then, how would you be able to sponsor them? So kailangan magkakaroon ng isang sponsorship. So kami, magsisponsor kami dun sa mga magulang namin na magde-declare din kami na kami ang magsusupport sa kanila for the rest of their stay here in Canada for the next 20 years. Bawal silang humingi ng social services, hindi sila pwedeng humingi ng mga social assistance. So kami lahat yun. Kaya, going back to their CRA tax requirement, it makes sense na kailangan ma-achieve mo yung income for you to be able to support. Now, let's go back. From what I remember, there are a couple of requirements for the sponsors to be able to successfully sponsor their parents. Firstly is kailangan, of course, permanent resident ka or citizen ka. Next is you have to be 18 years old and above. Next is you need to be able to meet a certain income threshold. Nakakalungkot kasi nga even though na-meet naman namin yung mga requirements na yon, and then sina mommy and daddy and mama din, nami-meet naman nila yung requirements na yon kasi kailangan din nilang maging eligible. Hindi kami pwede kasi hindi sila nagpapa-intake for 2025. So, 2 years in a row na hindi sila nagpapa-intake or nag-accept ng mga applications. So, 2024 and 2025. Pero the good news is, merong bunutan na nangyayari. So, last 2022, if I'm not mistaken, or 2023, around 10,000 grandparents yung na-sponsor, successfully sponsored and naging permanent residents dito sa Canada. 2024, I think it was around 35,000 that was sponsored and naging PR dito sa Canada. For 2025, I think the target of the government is 10,000 yung mga mapi-PR na grandparents. So, bunutan to. It's actually a lottery. Talaga dun sa raffle system ng IRCC or ng government kung sino ang mabubunot. Again, hindi siya depende kung nauna ka ba or late ka ba. Basta nandun kayo sa pool, like for example, 20,000 yung pending na nakapasok sa intake. The total number of grandparents na nakapag-submit ng application and then kami successfully sponsored then for example 20,000 yon regardless kung maaga ka, regardless kung lately ka lang nakapag-submit or yung last submission na submit, magkakasama pa rin kayo at pwedeng ma-PR din or mabunot yung pinaka-last na nag-submit. So, raffle talaga siya. And isa to talaga sa mga milestone na inaabangan namin ni Donna. Kaya medyo nalulungkot kami sa nangyari kasi hindi kami makakapag-submit. So, hindi kami makakasama dun sa lottery nila for this. And, you know, matagal na kasi kaming OFW din. So, ang last pa naming kita, although pinapunta namin si Mommy sa Singapore last 2022 and then yung dad ko 2023, si Mama naman ay last year. Matagal na namin silang hindi nakasama na sobrang tagal. So, naglo-look forward talaga kami dito sa pagkakataong ito na sana madala namin sila. But then, ayun, kahit na sobra-sobra yung plano mo, hindi talaga siya lahat na achieve dito. Hindi dapat madami masyado yung tao dito. Nagre-restrict nga sila ng mga dumadating and plus yun nga, mga temporary foreign workers natin na kababayan, yung iba hindi na mare-renew, yung madami sa kanila, although valid naman yung pagstay nila dahil dun sa mga rules na bago, there shouldn't be 6% and above unemployment for your location. Yung mga ganong aspects, hindi marirenew yung mga contracts nila. So ang laki ng changes talaga na nangyayari sa Canada. And yeah, hindi lang sila yung affected, kami din. Although pag compared syempre dun sa ibang problems ng ating mga kababayan, mas malaki yung kanila compared sa amin. Kasi anyway, PR naman kami dito and makakapag-stay kami. Pero yung iba talaga ay kailangan umuwi pag hindi nagawan ng paraan. So, yun ang silver lining na nakikita ko. Pero we were really planning this na si Mommy and si Daddy Dan and si Mama ay makapunta dito permanently sa Canada. Ang laking bagay nun and ang laking tulong nun, lalo na kay David and kay Lian, na growing up, kilala nila and kasama nila lagi yung mga grandparents nila kasi madami talagang values na pwedeng i-share or matutunan galing sa ating mga magulang. And syempre yun yung values ko, doon din naman galing sa kanila. So it's a very good direction sana na nandito yung mga grandparents natin. Pero or yung mga magulang ko rather. Pero ganun talaga. Hindi lahat ng plano natin ay natutupad dito sa Canada. So we just need to be patient. Wait ulit next year. Pagsikapan ulit natin and be very vigilant na pag nagsabi silang okay, open na ang intake, dapat ready na lahat. So sana ganun ang mangyari next year. And yeah, thank you ulit sa pagsama sa amin sa vlog na ito. I'm Lawrence from Alba Fambam. And God bless and please be careful out there. It's snowy. Kung saan man kayo sa buong mundo, snowy, maaraw, maulan, please be careful. And God bless to everyone. And we're going to catch you on the next vlog. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And hang loose. Relax.